Hello everyone, I am Geeta Sharma working as an assistant professor in RPIT Technical and Medical Campus. Here, today my topic is about the transpose of a matrix. First, we will do the definition of matrix. Definition of transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? If A is any matrix, A is a matrix of order m by n. A is any matrix of order m by n. Then the matrix of order n by m. Look at here, we have changed the order. Here we have the matrix A of the order m by n, but we will reverse the order. Matrix of A as n by m, n by m. Obtained by, how can we obtain this order? We obtain this by interchanging its rows and column. Here we will interchange rows by column and column by rows. Then the new matrix which have been become is called the transpose of A matrix, and it is denoted by A transpose, or we can say A T, A dash or A transpose. So this is the definition of transpose of a matrix. Here in general, if let A matrix, if A matrix is equal to A I J matrix, then A transpose will be A J I. How? Because as we have converted I J rows and column, we have interchanged these rows to and column and rows. So we have A dash equal A J I, where A I J equal to A J I. For example, let us take an example. We have a matrix A as 5, 6, 7, 4, 3, 5, 2, 4, 3. Then transpose of this A matrix. Transpose of this matrix will be, here we will convert rows to column. As in the transpose matrix, we will interchanging its rows and column to each other. So R1 converted into C1. So 5, 6, 7. Here is 5, 6, 7 are in the R1. So we will write in this is in C1. 5, 6, 7 row will become the column 5, 6, 7, and 4, 3, 5 will be written as the column 4, 3, 5. And now 2, 3, 2, 4, 3 row will be written by column 2, 4, 3. So this is the transpose of A matrix. Okay. Now note that it is to be noted, if A is of the order m by n, if A is of the order m by n, then A dash will of the order n by m. As this is the as there is a same order 3 by 3 order, as here are 3 rows and 3 columns, so there is no difference between the A and A transpose order. Okay, but if we will take A matrix as 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6, then the transpose of this matrix will be 2, 3, 4, 1, 5, 6. Look at here. Here the order of this matrix is 2 rows and 3 columns. So this order, and here the order of this is 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, 3 into 2. So here we have noted. What is, if A is the order m by n, then A dash will be order n by m. So hence we have it. So this is transpose of a matrix.